Arratsaldeon guztioi. Ongi etorriak izan zituzte. Emakumearen eguna da eta nahiko edo kontzertu honetara. Emakume konposatzaileen obrak izango ditu gaur gure artean. Lehendabizi, handuko berrok ikasek abestu dituzte eta jarrera agertatza guzti.
Jaio naiz libre izateko, ez loturik egoteko. Esan ez erantzun zidan, zer digozuen elaztana, baleten eman dut zure izenan eskazarelako, futbolako gorra data, zure moduko neskentzako. Kaparranda egingo du, berandu helduko naiz etxera, norekin jetxiko zara, non lagunduko dizuatera, 16 urte ditut, ez daukat inoren belduri, baina nien naiz fidatzen, polik jantzi zara alferrik. Bertso eskolan hasi nintzen, badara matzat urtetako txapelketara, takoiekin nahiko nuke, baina horrela mutilek, bertsoz barregiko dizute, mendiko botak jantzita, bakean utziko zaituzte. Ingenieritza ikasketak, edo bestela ekonomia, unibertsitatea enda, pertsonala eta handia, turismo edo bestela, kazetaritza harritza, zu aurpegi eder horrekin, lanara zaurkintuko duzu. Sekretuak gordetzen dituen ispiluak, sorgine oiuz urrunera begira, kristal hautsiak izango dira, kristal hautsiak izango dira.
Y la brisa ya fría, enrojeciendo sus pómulos, yo la miraba, curiosa y atenta, cuando correteaba por mis calles a solas, y me preguntaba cómo era posible que esos ojos tan vivos murieran por ti. Tal vez será que ya no entenderás que una ciudad vestida de azul la puede hacer más feliz que tú. Things I didn't give to you. Oh friend, why are you so shy and like you hold back or hide from the light? I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't find it. I hope you see my face, that you'll be reminding that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I beg, I They say that I'm supposed to hear you, but I ain't done much healing. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how we felt before the world fell out our feet. There's such a difference between us and a million miles. So hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. But when I call you, never seem to be home. Hello from the outside. At least I can say that I've tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter clearly. Doesn't tear you apart anymore. Every inch of me is trembling, but not from the cold. Something is familiar, like a dream I can reach, but not quite more. I can sense you there, like a friend I always know. I'm arriving, and it feels like I am home. I have always been so different. Don't just another night. You have secrets too, but you don't have to hide. Show yourself, I'm dying to meet you. Show yourself, it's your turn. Are you the one I've been looking for all of my life? Show yourself, I'm ready to learn.
I let it go, my heart, and use this spell you rose to claim it. It was dark and I was open until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say that were never true. On the games you play, you would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. When it burned, when I cried, 'cause I had it screaming out your name, your name.
I'd rather be told, I'd rather be smart, I'd rather be sure you know I care. Whatever you go, whatever you start, I'd rather be sure you know I'm there. I'd rather always be a part of whatever you do. I'd rather be me with you. Whatever we go, I already trust. I know what to do if it were us. I know what to say, I know how to be. I know your entire syllabus. I can think of any other thing in the world I'd rather
Aire olibazko itoak datozkigu, sei zazpi, aldean ekarriz panderoak zabezki, beratzi ikitoak etorri eta badoazi, babiru, sei zazpi,
Artxibora bisita bat egin duela, eta bertan erakutsi zizkidaten, zeudela hainbat artxibo emakume konposatzaileenak, ez zirenak interpretatzen, eta ideia politi dituztean, horiek biltzea, egun politi bat esan nuen papel artean, eta entzun dituzue abez batzetako abestiak, ezta? Ze politak diren, gehienak handikan bildutako dira.
Gero
mio, danzare a questa sognare. Ma che più da questa sera, dei due mi lo vai che ne sa spiegare, che lo so sì, danzare a come i ragazzi, ma rendi